Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Wrike custom request forms and validation rules step by step clearly. To verify Wrike custom request forms, start by accessing your Wrike account. Navigate to the request forms section from the main dashboard. Locate the specific request form you want to verify from the list. Click on the form to open it and review its structure. Examine each field included in the form. Ensure that all required fields are properly marked. Next, check the field types for accuracy. Confirm that text fields, drop-downs, and checkboxes function as intended. Test any conditional logic applied to the fields. Submit a test request using the form. Observe the responses that appear after submission. Make sure the validation rules trigger correctly based on user input. Verify that error messages display for incorrect entries. Return to the settings of the request form. Scroll to the validation rules section to review all active rules. Check that each rule aligns with your intended requirements. Modify any validation rules as necessary for clarity. Save your changes and exit the form editor. Revisit the form to ensure all adjustments are properly applied. Conduct another test submission to confirm the validation rules are now functioning. Document any issues encountered during testing. Address and resolve these issues promptly. Reassess the overall functionality of the request form. Finally, communicate any changes or updates to the team involved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.